Welcome to Everyday Linux User. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop applications reopening on startup within Debian KDE. So one of the features I find annoying is that if I've got, say, a window open when I close down my Debian, then the next time I boot up Debian, that application opens again. So if you've got 6 applications that are open, and sometimes I just shut down my machine even though the applications are open because I don't need to save anything, I just need to close down the computer. I don't want to have to click the cross on every single one of the windows. So sometimes I just do shut down. But the annoying thing is with Debian, when you start up again, all those 6 windows open again, even though you probably don't want them. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change that default behavior, and it all stems down here in this system settings screen. So if I minimize this, and we scroll down in the system settings and we click on session, you can see we've got these 3 options here. So the default behavior is to launch the applications that were open on last logout. So if you've got 5 applications open and you shut down your machine, next time you boot up, those 5 applications are going to load again, which I don't think is behavior that most people probably want, and I'm not sure why it's the default. The next option is it's more of a manual way of doing the same thing. So when I click here and click apply, now you have the save session option. And so when you click save session, any windows that were open when you click save session, next time you reboot, those windows will reopen again. So if you close 3 down and reboot, it's still going to open the same 5 because it's the last time you hit save session. But if you close 2 down and hit save session again and reboot, it's just going to load the 3 up. Personally, my preferred behavior is to let me decide which applications I open when I first boot up my computer. So I'd start with an empty session, and this is the behavior that I think most people will want. When they boot up the computer, it's a clean slate and they can choose what they want to open. Short video, that's the end of the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time on Everyday Linux User.